You know what's better than a corner lot? A house nestled in the trees with a pond at the end of a street. I'm Marcie Billen, and I'm a real estate agent in Norman, Oklahoma. Let's take a look at this cute home in Northeast Norman. Updates include quartz countertops, stainless steel apron sink, and brand new laminate flooring that is continuous through the home. The small pantry and added shelving next to the refrigerator makes up for the cabinet space lost in this beautiful open floor plan. Natural light floods the living room through the sliding glass doors and windows. Elevated ceilings amplify the square footage, making the house feel so much bigger than the 1,500 square feet. All 3 bedrooms are situated down one hallway, and as I said, they have laminate flooring as well. The owner's suite includes a garden tub and 2 closets, along with a tray ceiling. If you're wondering where the laundry room is, it's right off the kitchen, and you'll love the spaciousness and added counter for a folding or desk area. You can see the full listing by checking the description for the link as well. The hall bath in this home does include wood-like tile and a shower tub combo. Both hallway bedrooms are very similar and do feature elevated ceilings. The backyard, though, is probably why you're here. This backyard looks out over a pond that, yes, is good for fishing. The pond is owned by the city, but you'll get to keep up with your area off the bank to make good use of it. For questions and showings, please give me a call and check the description for more info.